How to contact Facebook support. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to contact Facebook support. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the Facebook app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, simply scroll down and tap on Help and Support. And now here under Help and Support, you can simply tap on the support option. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply scroll down and below activity, there you can find things like things you reported or other communications. But if you even scroll from there, then at the bottom you can see the options like Help Center, Terms and Policies, and Report a Technical Problem. So, here to tell you the thing, there isn't any way to contact Facebook support directly through end to end chat. But here you can definitely give your message or the report to the technical support team to the Facebook by simply tapping on Report a Technical Problem. And now, here in this section, you can simply include the issues and simply send them the report. And once you send that, you just have to wait for them to respond it. And once they have responded it, you can simply find that by simply tapping on the things you have reported option. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.